I'm Matt Murphy with Boston Virtual Imaging. We are in Seaport this afternoon to attend NAIOP's Seaport walking tour, and we're going to take you along with us.
The speed of the transformation of the Seaport District was unprecedented, but when you really look at this from a historical perspective, it's taken 30 years to get here.
Before we came along and started building buildings and doing what we do, our partners in government invested over $10 billion in mostly transportation infrastructure, but also the harbor cleanup to open up this district.
We've been here since 2011 and really kind of saw the vision for this area. There was parking lots here when we started, and we kind of have built it up and I think really helped transform this neighborhood.
We're very proud of having had the honor of working with folks from PTC on their new headquarters, their move to the Seaport, and to be a part of the transformation of Boston that's occurring as we stand there is really, really exciting.
Other than the casino, it's the largest project in Boston. At the construction, and good to have the first be this big.
The opportunity to create this internal courtyard that we're going to tour folks through, line it with retail, and then create these pedestrian corridors that link it through, make this project much more pedestrian friendly.
This is going to be an ultra-luxury condominium tower, 22 stories. It will have 114 units.
This is a small spot to make something really bold and big. We still stuck to our guns and made sure that the product was what we had always dreamed it would be, and I think it really is going to be beautiful.
Crosspoint purchased this property back in 2007. There was one tenant and 10 buildings.
We just thought that this area was just in the third inning. You know, it hadn't come. I don't think we even could think we'd be where we are today. This all happened probably 10 or 15 years faster than a lot of people expected.
This is actually my first summer in Boston, so this tour was actually really great to learn about the Seaport history.
You see the dirty dirt be removed, you never see the finished product, so it was nice to see all of our projects today.